Hey guys, I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to the Consultant Mindset. We think of an unreachable goal whenever we talk about dreams. We often convince ourselves that we may be unable to achieve our goals and dreams. We feel restricted by our age, location, and sometimes financial insecurity doesn't let us achieve our goals. There are always some obstacles and hurdles in the way of your passion and determination. And the exponential thing is to keep going and pursuing those dreams regardless of any obstacle you may face between these phases of difficulties. Everyone has dreams which they want to achieve in life. But not everyone strives for their dreams. Everyone needs help to achieve their dreams. Many people do not pursue their dreams because they fear the outcomes. They always feel not capable enough to achieve goals in their lives. Dreams are often fulfilled when you strive for them with full enthusiasm and determination. How can we pursue our dreams? First it is necessary to have a dream. Some people are directionless in their lives. They don't have a trajectory to follow. They just go with the flow and they won't even try to reach that certain point. Being afraid of the outcome becomes the biggest hurdle in the achievement of your goals. We never get this fact that life is all about challenges and we have to go through them every single day. People who have an easier life never grow. They are mostly stagnant at one point in their lives. To go forward, it is necessary to face hurdles and obstacles in life. Why won't you try challenging yourself? Whenever you challenge yourself to achieve something, you become more prone to attain your goals. Things become interesting whenever you try to take them as a challenge. There is a famous saying that every journey begins with a single step. It is necessary to take a step. It is quite important to jump into the crowd. How can you predict the outcome when you have never even jumped into the race? Putting yourself into that position is necessary to realize the importance of winning the race. Life is not fun until you face some challenges and hurdles. In this era, only those people are winners who have faced hardships and hurdles. They have emerged as the strongest human beings. To fulfill your dreams, you have to take a step towards the journey. How can we fulfill our dreams? In any estimation of your life, believing in yourself always comes first. Believe in yourself. Believing in yourself is one heck of a task. All of the challenges and hardships we face in our lives have to be handled with proper care. This is the bitter reality of this world, that we have to face things by ourselves. None will come to save us in our hardships. We have to encounter our problems. And facing these problems will make us even more formidable and steadfast. Many people tend not to believe in themselves. They think that they cannot achieve anything in their life. Why do they think like that? It is just because they have low self-esteem and self-confidence. They think they do not have the potential to succeed in life. They just envy other people and their successes. If you are still unaware of your dreams, start making ones. Ask yourself this question: what do I want in my life? Make sacrifices. For long-term happiness and contentment, we have to make the hardest choices. We have to do sacrifices to attain our goals and dreams. Our sacrifices and hardest choices act as a fuel to our success. They ignite our passion to achieve our goals. You have to give up your family time, your spare time, and quality time with friends as well. To achieve long-term happiness, you have to struggle for such things. Never let fear get in your way when you take the difficult pathway. You may feel scared and lonely at first. But after going through trials and tribulations, a person becomes consistent enough to face the hardships. Fear of taking risks, and fear of failing things emerge as hurdles in the pathway of being a warrior and a fighter. For achieving dreams, it is necessary to become a fighter. Fighting your fears is important in achieving your dreams. Surround yourself with those people who always make you feel motivated and encouraged. Such people are real gems to ever exist in someone's life. Such people stand with you in your hour of need. They won't leave your side even when you are falling apart. So it is a blessing to have such masses in your life. Bring positivity to your life. Always speak positively about your dreams. This will release the sense of contentment in your brain that you should speak positively about your things. By speaking positively about your dreams, you indirectly motivate yourself to achieve your goals. The biggest motivation for you comes from within yourself. You are your biggest supporter. One should stay always motivated and courageous about his goals and dreams. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.